Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a rocky road milkshake, not a rocky road. So, stick blender obviously. If you don't want to use a stick blender, then just use a normal blender. Then a little jug, then some ice cream and an ice cream scoop obviously. So, what I would say you do is you scoop up 3 scoops of ice cream, and for 2 people I would say 6 scoops of ice cream, but just because I'm making it just for me, I'm doing 3 scoops of ice cream. Push it down a little bit. Then 1 last scoop. Where did it go? Oh, there. I tend to lose everything apparently. Then, what I also forgot to tell you, you would need is milk. You would need milk. Here we go. Now I have the milk. You can set this aside, you won't need it. Then I would say for the milk, you would put it up until about 300 milliliters. Here we go, 300 milliliters. Then, here comes your stick blender. Mommy, how do you turn this on? Oh, frick. There we go. I think that would be enough now. Okay, so now because my scoops were too small, I added 1 more scoop of ice cream, 1 more big scoop. Then I also added a 1/4 cup more of milk. Then I have some nice chocolate sauce here. I put it in the microwave for 10 seconds. Then I poured milk in it, a little bit of milk, like very little bit, to make it more runny and to cool it down so that it doesn't crack the glass. So let me go ahead and bring the glass. There we go. I put the glass in the fridge so that it's colder. It's nice and cool. I would suggest to put the glass in the fridge for the amount of time that you made your milkshake. So while you're busy making your milkshake, then I would suggest to put your glass in the fridge to just cool it down. Then you just smear the chocolate sauce all over the cup to make it look nice and taste a little bit more chocolatey. Then you pour your milkshake into the glass. And look at that. That's how you make a milkshake with ice cream, milk, chocolate sauce, and a stick blender. It's very simple. So, let me try it. Nice and cool. Just for those events that you spend in the hot sun in the summer. Bye bye. Hope you enjoy my recipe.